It's a coat of many colors. It is never black and white. Can't have one without the other. The dark without the light.
Those are my shoes. Hold on. Hi, girl. You guys see all the free stuff we have.
I'm about to sell some of it.
No, you're not. We're keeping it. We know. I'm not selling none of it.
I'm not gonna buy it. Like,
Look who's here.
your wife said she was selling it like I'm.
I love video. I'm gonna leave that in. I'm not gonna edit that out. That's gonna be my sleep shirt. And I know y'all, I took that wig off. Say bye bye, baby. You gonna say bye bye? Say bye. Oh, you so shady. Gosh. Okay, the wig is off, everybody. I just needed
Mom, I ran a Boston on you. A whole Boston, sis.
I beat my daughter's ass.
Take a game. Take a game.
Skeeter, when's the last time we see each other? Like,
It's been about 20 years, maybe.
about 20 years. I whooped his
Facebook
ass.
every day, but
All right. So, we received all of these goodies from Dr. Bronner's, and actually we have more. If I have footage from the other night, I will include that. But like I said, we were lit. I hadn't seen my cousin in at least 15 years, and so yeah, we were really enjoying ourselves a little bit.
So do you just mainly like vlog?
Or yeah, I do subtopics. I talk about stuff in my day
teach you how
job.
to get your credit right.
Ooh.
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I talk about
Teach you
how
how to
I
get
got
your
my
credit
credit score over 800, and then I talk about stuff like my day job. I'm a fundraiser for the Nature Conservancy,
Okay.
so I travel a lot. So I do a lot of vlogging on my trips and stuff.
What's your favorite place that you've been to?
Kenya. I just went to Kenya in July. I am about to get my face made up because of the thing that we're not going to tell you right now, but we're going to tell you a little bit later. Or you'll either see it in the video preceding this, the thing that I'm not going to tell you right now because I don't know when I'm going to tell you. But I am about to get my face made up by the lovely Emily. Hey, Emily.
I just moved to Asheville last year from just outside New York, where I was hair and
That's a
makeup
switch.
for NBC.
What?
I was just in Korea for
Okay.
the Olympics at NBC in February. So
Yeah.
it's a change of pace here in Asheville, but I'm digging it. And you know, starting.
Push me to the side, and I don't even like you. You can keep your islands for yourself, 'cause I do have a job to do. I have to sweep all the corners, then get out of my knees, sell my heart. You can call the vengeance on your heart, if no one ever told you. Fall to pieces. Fall to pieces. You can touch your real world with your hand, but I don't even like you. You can keep your problems for yourself, 'cause I do have a job to do. I have to read all the feeds of the constructivist field, and you can't spend your free time at my home if no one ever told you.
Coolest. What's up, yo? Y'all look. Girl got a gold tee. Oh my gosh. That is too cute. What's up? Hi, how are you? Hello. Say hi. Hi. This is Franny and Franny's Farm. And tell us just like a little snippet of when you got started And
Oh, gracious, girl.
so this is last year's featured farmer for the National
This year.
Hemp History. Well, this year, yes, because we're still in 2018. So we are in her farm.
In the barn.
We're in her farm, Girl Power.
It's early in the morning.
Early in
And we
the
have a
morning,
festival today.
and they have a festival today, and she saved this in here so that we can take our photos. All right, little break. I'm gonna try to get a little of this on film. Let me see. You might be able to get a little of this shot.
For the pieces. For the pieces. I refer to suicide, but none of them.
Ain't no national photo shoot, man. My wife. Face of Green Heifer Farms. And what a beautiful face it is.
This last one before we take a break.
He said, walk over here, babe. So,
Let me know if you need me to move the car. Oh, I will.
we're moving to our next location, and I've put on some jeans. I had on a little shapewear earlier, y'all. But, whew, you know what? If I wanted that shape, my ass be working out. To say that a plant is more dangerous than some of the crap they cook up in labs, like how, Sway? How, Sway? This is a drying barn. So we have the fans going. So yes, we are the 2019 face for the Hemp History Week National Campaign. It's the 10th year, and Hemp History Week is the country's largest grassroots advocacy campaign for industrial hemp. This is huge. 2019, the Farm Bill has passed. We are the first farmers of color that they have had in this campaign's history. We are here to level the planting field, so we hope you follow along with us in 2019. Thanks for your support.